go.
Get out of the car. All right, man. Go ahead, step out for us.
Unbuckle your seatbelt. Step out. You're under arrest.
For what? I do nothing wrong.
Fair to comply. Step out of the car, please.
Unbuckle her seatbelt. Unbuckle her seatbelt, please. All right, step out.
Don't grab me, baby.
Come on, step out, please.
I know guns are
Step out.
Get out of the car.
Come on, let's go. Step out.
290-8560.
Step out.
Stand up.
Stop.
On July 3rd, 2023, at 1:37 a.m., an officer stumbled upon a bizarre scene. A car stopped in the dead center of the road while the driver urinated in public. What began as an erratic confrontation quickly shifted from flirtatious excuses about a medical emergency to a high-tension standoff as the driver's behavior turned increasingly volatile.
Right, Queen Charles, pipeline.
All right. The other thing too is your plates are expired.
No, they're not. I have my tags. I got my tags yesterday. My birthday's on 17th.
All right, I'll take your license and your insurance registration.
He's white. I don't like white people.
You have your driver's license and insurance registration?
Of course I do.
Okay, can I see that, please?
Safe auto.
The registration for the vehicle was registered.
This is my car. I had this car for like 3 years, babe.
Okay, do you have the registration for the vehicle?
You recorded. You very racist.
How am I racist?
Because that's registration. This one's registered. I had this car for 3 years.
I know, but I don't know that.
I don't like white people. Y'all very racist.
Well, I'm not white.
That's what I get. No, white people want to doubt black people out.
Well, I'm not white.
Well, you all the way white.
It don't matter about nothing.
Uncle Tom, that's the police with the court. Look him up.
He is
from Louisiana. Tax right here.
Listen, that's what that pile is over here.
That's good.
So what was it? Why were you peeing in the roadway?
Cause I tried. My friend just bought a house out the way. She know her address. She not familiar with her address.
Right.
Okay.
She not from here.
Okay.
She know her bathroom at. She's intoxicated. I don't know how to get to her house to the bathroom. That's why I did it.
Okay.
Which are white race. Get the man. I'm coming to everybody, man.
I got it right here.
You wanna do it for me? Do it for me. You record it. Do it.
Why didn't you put it on the back?
Cause it didn't stick.
It didn't stick?
No, it did not. I digged out my text said 220 white.
Okay.
It didn't stick.
Okay.
Look at my text right now. It didn't stick.
Well, I know that.
I scraped the text off my sticker.
I know. I saw the sticker. It's expired. That's why.
That's another reason.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
That's why I fuck with white people. I got business. I'm a nurse. Everything. I take talk to kids.
Okay.
My kids next. Yeah, I don't like white people, man.
Testing the road.
I pulled up and she had her pants down her knees. So you didn't have time to stop anywhere else to use the bathroom. You just decided to
That's
stop.
why I did it. I ain't embarrassed. I'm like stripping. I used to be homeless. I slept in cars. Slept with white men. Slept with white men.
12150 also.
I voted for Donald Trump. All this white mother man.
How much you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 glasses of wine.
How long ago was that?
30 minutes ago.
Okay. Are you feeling anything from your wine?
You said what, babe? It's very cute.
Are you feeling any effects from the wine tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm very overwhelmed by my business, nurse school.
Okay.
My baby dad not doing nothing. I'm just overwhelmed.
Okay.
My friend just bought a new house out the way. She know her house is at. That's the only reason I put over to piss.
Okay. Sit tight, stay in the car. I'll be right back with you, okay? All right, Andrea. Yeah, it looks like you took care of your plates and stuff. But what I want to do is I want to make sure you're okay to drive from this point. I'm going to have you step out of the car.
I'm safe on my car. I'm fine. I'm safe.
And then we're going to get you going, okay?
My best friend just bought a house around the corner. I'm going to drive to her house and lay down in her bed. I'm okay. I promise.
Well, I feel like you are impaired.
I'm not impaired. I'm a whole damn nurse.
Okay.
Nurse school.
I understand that.
I take care of my elders. I take care of Miss Jocelyn. I take care of Miss Joyce. I'm fine and I'm safe.
Okay.
I'm stopping my court. I'm safe. I promise.
I want to make sure that you're okay to drive.
You can follow me around the corner and I'll be okay. I'm not stopping this car. I'm fine. I promise I am.
It's not going to work, okay? I want to make sure you're okay. I'm going to put you through some field sobriety and we'll get you going after that.
I'm not getting on my car. I'm okay.
The mood soured instantly when the officer requested documentation, triggering a wave of hostility and racially charged accusations from the driver. For over 6 minutes, she remained defiantly entrenched in her vehicle, forcing the officer to eventually abandon verbal commands and use physical force to execute an arrest for OVI and disorderly conduct.
There's two ways of handling this situation, okay? First, we can go the route where I make sure you're okay to drive from this point, and then you'll be released. Okay? As long as I feel like you're okay to drive, you'll be released.
Oh, probably I'm okay to drive. She won't stay around the corner.
Well, I don't know that. I pull up and I see that you're squatted down in the middle of the roadway, urinating. Or a second.
She stayed around the corner.
I understand that. That's fine. I'm trying to work with you, okay, in the middle of the street. Is that normal behavior for a sober person? Please answer me that.
I have a bad bladder. I have cancer.
Okay, and that might be the case. Okay, and I understand you might have a bladder.
Yeah, very
and
racist. I should have been in this area. You so bougie buying a house out here.
And listen,
Bougie. She's so bougie.
What's the point? We right it.
And-
She had to be.
and
I'm a nurse. Go to nurse school. I have a business.
okay.
I gotta be.
So right now you're failing to obey.
Failing what?
You're failing to obey my order of getting out of the vehicle. Are you refusing to get out of the vehicle at this point?
What is the consequences?
She's gonna get arrested if you refuse to get out of the vehicle.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I just explained to you what's going on.
I understand what you explained. I see police officers drunk all the time, pissing outside in front of my house. They killed my fucking dog, Majesty. I have been through a bipolar. I was a crazy house. I've been a lot of
Okay. That's what that pile is over here.
That's good.
police took my dog.
Okay.
They killed Majesty.
Okay.
Now look, I sue y'all.
Again, I'm asking you to please exit the car, okay? We'll put you through physical sobriety and you'll be released if you're okay to drive, okay? Last thing I want to do is force you out of this vehicle. Do you want to go to jail tonight?
Jail.
So I'm asking you again. I've asked probably several times. Do you want to step out of the car?
That's why I called.
And the officer's asking you to step out of the car. Step out of the car, please.
Wanna come on, lawyer? Y'all tripping on me?
Step out of the car.
Why?
Now. This is no longer becoming a request. Get out of the car.
Authority.
Please don't do that. We don't need no house out.
She's standing around the corner right here. I was saying, what's the point? Can I go home safe?
All right, let's go.
Get out of the car.
All right, man, go ahead, step out for us.
Unbuckle your seatbelt, step out. You're under arrest.
For what? I do nothing wrong.
Fair to comply. Step out of the car, please.
Unbuckle your
Set a
seatbelt.
car.
Unbuckle your seatbelt, please. All right, step out.
Don't grab me,
Come on,
baby.
step out, please.
I know guns are nothing.
Step out.
Get out of the car.
Come on.
Let's go. Step out.
290-8560.
Step out.
Stand up.
Stop.
Put your hands on your back.
Put your hands on your back.
There you go. We're good. Hang on. Don't turn around. Just hang on a second, okay? Let's get the handcuffs on. We'll explain everything. Almost done. Just give us one more second, okay? Man, do you have somebody to come get you by chance?
Step over here.
Call my brother.
What's that?
All right, let's go over here.
419.
Let's go over here. Step over here. Right over here. Do you have anything that's going to poke me?
You know I don't. You don't have nothing.
Anything in your pockets?
You know I don't. You can check them.
Take a seat. So, I mean, I try.
Dude, you did more than I
know, but I'm just trying.
Oh, you were professional. You did a good job. You got out.
All right, Andrea. I gotta read you this form, okay? You're not under arrest for OVI, operating a vehicle under influence of alcohol, a drug, or a combination of them. Operating a vehicle
I don't do drugs.
while under influence of this controlled substance. If you refuse to take the breath test, your driver's license will be suspended for 2 years. If you decide to take the test at or over the legal limit, it'll be suspended for 1 year, okay?
I grab money up. I moved in a good neighborhood. Like, this is wrong as damn, my nose itch. Why is it on my purse? I don't sell drugs. Look, the purse.
Are you willing to take the breath test for me?
I'm taking nothing.
Okay. Andrea, you need anything out of the vehicle?
My purse and my phone.
Purse and phone? Okay.
Why that goes with my purse? That's just my credit card. My good credit.
No, I'm just logging your stuff, make sure we have everything before I give it to you.
Is my money in my purse?
I haven't got
And my
that.
credit card.
Okay.
Make sure you set my stuff.
Okay.
What's the point of y'all going through that?
We're gonna take it down because you're going to jail.
My last purse I had, y'all stole in my Dooney Burkenhurst years ago.
Ma'am, I'm not taking your purse. It's coming with you to jail. You'll see me walk in with it, okay?
I should go to jail. I have a license. I have insurance.
Well, you're intoxicated. You're
No, I'm
operating
not.
a vehicle.
Because she gay, bisexual, transgender, and yes, I did pee outside. I have a bad bladder. I have cancer. I'm dying in 4 months. And I'm suing. I killed my dog, Majesty. Went to the crazy house 3 times. I killed my dog, man. I should have sued y'all. I'm going through depression.
The date was July 3rd, 2023, and at 1:37 a.m., an officer stumbled upon a bizarre scene. A woman had stopped her car in the dead center of the roadway to urinate in public. When confronted, the driver's behavior was nothing short of erratic. She immediately tried to charm the officer with flirtatious comments and claimed a medical emergency to justify her actions. However, The mood shifted instantly when the officer requested her documentation. The woman became hostile, hurling racially charged accusations and flatly refusing to exit the vehicle. Despite being given multiple chances to cooperate, she remained defiant for over 6 minutes, forcing the officer to eventually remove her from the car by force. The night ended with her in handcuffs, facing a laundry list of charges, including OVI, failure to comply, and disorderly conduct. It's a wild reminder of how quickly a late-night encounter can spiral from strange to serious. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.